Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to be making chicken pot pie noodles. But before we get into that recipe, I really do want to thank everyone for the support that y'all have given Fat Boy Cooking. So remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so that way you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So with that out of the way, let's grab our aprons, get our ingredients, and let's make some chicken pot pie noodles. For our chicken pot pie noodles, we're going to need the following: 2 chicken breasts, butter, flour, chicken broth, salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, frozen mixed vegetables, egg noodles, and heavy cream. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So we have our butter, which we've heated and melted into a large skillet over a medium heat. So to this, we're going to add in our flour, and we're going to make us a light roux, and we're going to cook this for a couple of minutes. So this has been cooking for a couple of minutes, and so to this, we're going to add in our chicken broth. And we're going to let this cook for a couple of minutes also. Alright, so this has been going for a good couple of minutes. And now we are going to add in our pepper, our thyme, our garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, salt, and oregano. And we're going to let this go for another couple of minutes. Alright, as you can see, this is all mixed together and is starting to bubble up. So now we are going to add in our mixed vegetables. Going to get this fully mixed up, and then we're going to let this cook for another minute or two. Alright, so now we need to add in our chicken. So what I've done is I've cut them in half lengthways, and so we're going to put them back in our pot. And then we're going to make sure that they get covered up completely in the pot pie mixture. And now we're going to throw a lid on this and let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes till the chicken is done. Okay, so this has been going for 12 minutes. So now we're going to remove our chicken and dice it up. So we've diced up our chicken breasts. So we're going to add this back into our pot. Give this a stir. Whoops. And now we're going to add in our noodles. And we want to be careful not to make a mess and make sure the noodles get covered with all the filling. Alright, so these have been going a couple of minutes, so our noodles are starting to heat up. So to this, we're going to add in our heavy cream. And once again, we're going to give this a good mix, and then let it go a couple of minutes, and then we're going to serve up our pot pie chicken noodles. Alright, so this is all heated up through and through, so now we're going to serve us up some pot pie noodles. Maybe a little more. Because if you've been around long enough, you know I love me some noodles. So, here we go. We've got this served up. So let's go over to the counter and we're going to eat. Alright, so we've got us a bowl of our pot pie noodles. So we're going to give this a taste test. Oh, this is so good. this is definitely a keeper. So I hope y'all give this recipe a try. It's a great dish for the weekend or a night during the week. Real simple to fix. So as always, I want to thank you for the support that you've given the channel. As always, remember to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you don't miss on any of the videos. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. And until next time, I'm going to finish off this bowl.